In the rarefied air of the world's financial elite, where opulence knows no bounds and the pursuit of luxury is an everyday affair, the playground for the wealthy extends beyond sprawling mansions and private jets. It transcends into the realm of high-octane power, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled design. Welcome to the exclusive world of billionaires and millionaires supercars. A symphony of wealth and engineering. For the affluent, a supercar is not merely a mode of transportation, it is a statement, a manifestation of success, and a symbol of one's place in the upper echelons of society. These automotive marvels are more than just vehicles, they are a celebration of the confluence of wealth and engineering expertise. Unleashing the Titans. At the top of the automotive hierarchy stand the Titans hypercars that redefine the boundaries of speed, design, and technology. From the Bugatti Chiron to the Koenigsegg Jesko, these machines are not just fast, they are a convergence of artistry and performance. The roar of their engines echoes in the halls of exclusivity, reserved for those who demand the absolute best. Aston Martin Valkyrie. The apex of elegance and power. In the realm of billionaires and millionaire supercars, the Aston Martin Valkyrie stands as a testament to elegance and power. With a design that mirrors a Formula One car and a V12 engine developed in collaboration with Red Bull Racing, this masterpiece is a fusion of aerodynamic precision and unbridled power. For the discerning few, the Valkyrie is more than a car, it's an expression of refined taste and a commitment to automotive excellence. Tesla Roadster. The electric revolution for the elite. In the era of sustainability, even the world of high-performance cars is not exempt. The Tesla Roadster, slated to be one of the fastest cars ever made, has become the beacon of the electric revolution for the elite. Its sleek design, combined with ludicrous acceleration, makes it the perfect choice for those who seek both performance and a nod towards a greener future. Ferrari LaFerrari. Italian mastery unleashed. For enthusiasts who covet the Ferrari mystique, the LaFerrari is the embodiment of Italian mastery. With a hybrid powertrain that combines a V12 engine with electric assistance, this hypercar not only boasts breathtaking performance, but also showcases Ferrari's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology, while maintaining the soul-stirring roar that defines the brand. Pagani Huayra. Art on wheels. Enter the world of Pagani, where cars are not just machines, they are works of art on wheels. The Huayra, with its carbon fiber body, gull-wing doors, and a bespoke interior, is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Powered by a Mercedes-AMG-sourced V12 engine, it delivers a driving experience that is as exclusive as the car itself. Each Pagani is a limited edition, ensuring that ownership is a privilege reserved for the select few. Customization beyond imagination. For billionaires and millionaires, exclusivity extends beyond the purchase itself. Many high-end manufacturers offer bespoke customization services, allowing owners to tailor every detail of their supercar. From personalized paint hues to custom interiors that reflect individual taste, these cars become unique expressions of the owner's personality. Global Grand Tours. Owning a supercar is not just about the thrill of speed, it's also about the experience of the journey. The elite often embark on global grand tours, navigating picturesque landscapes and conquering winding roads with their automotive masterpieces. These journeys are not just about reaching a destination, they are about savoring the exhilaration of the drive and the prestige that comes with it. The future of luxury. As technology continues to evolve, so too do the expectations of the ultra-wealthy. The future of billionaires and millionaire supercars lies in the integration of cutting-edge technologies, such as autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, and sustainable power sources. Electric hypercars, once a novelty, are becoming more commonplace as the industry adapts to the changing landscape of automotive innovation. Exclusive clubs and events. Owning a supercar opens the door to a world of exclusive clubs and events where like-minded individuals gather to celebrate their shared passion for automotive excellence. From private track days to invitation-only gatherings, these events provide a platform for owners to showcase their prized possessions and connect with others who share their enthusiasm for the extraordinary. In conclusion, in the realm of billionaires and millionaire supercars, the pursuit of automotive perfection knows no bounds. These high-performance machines are not just a means of transportation, they are a reflection of the extravagant lifestyles and discerning tastes of their owners. As technology advances and the landscape of luxury evolves, one can only imagine what incredible feats of engineering and design await in the future, as the elite continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of automotive excellence. Whether it's the timeless elegance of a classic Ferrari, the mind-bending acceleration of an electric hypercar, or the bespoke craftsmanship of a Pagani, the world of billionaires and millionaire supercars is a symphony of wealth and engineering, where each vehicle tells a story of success, aspiration, and the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection.